Hello and welcome to Zara Beauty Recipe. This special recipe is to make your hair very long and prevent your hair from breaking, especially the front hair. With the harsh weather, it will help retain your hair density and produce new hair follicles that will make your hair grow very long and very fast. I'm going to use fresh aloe vera gel. You can see my aloe vera. If you don't have this aloe vera, you can also buy from the store the packaged aloe vera gel. For me, I'm going to scoop in some fresh aloe vera gel from this aloe vera you are seeing right here. This is fenugreek seeds. I call them the miracle seeds. They are called fenugreek seeds. I'm going to blend it into powdered form. Here we have the fenugreek seed powder, smoothly blended. I'm going to show you how to use it. First, I'm going to put in here a spoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has healing properties. As I said, it helps regenerate new hair follicles and prevents the hair from falling, thereby enhancing fast hair growth. This, after putting in a spoon of aloe vera gel, I'm going to also add in a spoon of the fenugreek seed powder into the aloe vera gel. This is a spoon, and then you mix it thoroughly. This is just a small quantity. You're going to make the quantity that will be enough to go around your scalp and your hair. This is what you will get after mixing the two items together, that is aloe vera gel and fenugreek seed powder. Fenugreek seed powder is very good for the hair. It makes the hair grow very thick and long in a very short while. It also helps repair damaged hair, especially the front hair, especially with this harsh weather. How you apply it is, after washing your hair very clean, you pat the hair and apply it from the root of your hair to the tip, just like the way you apply a relaxer, and leave it to stay for about 1 to 2 hours, or you can sleep with it. Then wash with clean fresh water and shampoo normally. You can do this like 2 times or 3 times in a week. Within a very short time, your hair will grow very fast and the hair will be very healthy. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please follow our Facebook pages at Zara Niger or Zara Beauty Recipe. Please click on the red subscribe button so that you'll be amongst the first people to get our fresh videos on hair care and beauty tips. You can also ask us any question on the comment section, and please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.